Put your chin on your knuckles, bend your knees, twist as fast as you can.
This little girl just escaped by twisting like Twister the Tornado.
Twister the Tornado. When someone really has grabbed you, how do you get away? And you're only 4 years old. Twist like a tornado, and they can do it.
Come on. Now I'm gonna...
Frank Flora Jr. and Michael Ray Graves are the founders of Kidini. They're teaching children from Brandywine Child Care and Preschool how to recognize and get away from child predators.
Kidini is a child safety program, bully prevention. We protect children from sexual predators, pedophiles, by teaching them how to recognize, avoid, and I highlight, escape sexual predators and pedophiles.
They teach by using kid-friendly characters they've developed.
We teach children without scaring them. They laugh, they have fun, and the power of music teaches the children how to recognize, avoid, and escape dangerous situations.